Aloha, it's Tani here, and today my brother will be showing you how to make Pan Fried Weke. This is a dish that we grew up on because we love to fish and usually caught weke. Weke, also known as goatfish, can be identified for its two long chin barbell, which looks like a goat's whiskers. We'll go through how to gut, scale, and prep the fish to cook. Here are the following ingredients. If you don't have access to weke, you could always use tilapia. My brother took us out spearfishing and caught one weke. There are many ways to prep the fish, but here is one way to do it. First, cut behind the pectoral fin towards the head. Don't cut all the way, just slightly. Grip the fish tightly and pull the head off. Take off the weke's pelvic fins. Then cut from the poop hole to the head. Then take out the guts and wash the fish until it is clean. Next, take off the dorsal fins. Then with the blunt side of the knife, begin to scale the fish by running the knife along the fish's body. Wash it and run your finger along to check if any scales were missed. With one hand keeping a grip on the fish, cut along the spine of the fish to make a fillet. Now that the fish is prepped, cook the side vegetables. Over medium heat, drizzle in oil and add the garlic, onions, and ginger. Cook it until the onions become translucent. Then add in the baby bok choy and cook it until the leaves have wilted. Set it aside. Pepper and salt the fish fillets on both sides. Then coat the whole fish with flour. Cook the fillets over medium heat with some oil. Let it cook for 2 minutes or until it is lightly browned. Then flip it over and cook it again for 2 minutes. Plate it along with the cooked vegetables and enjoy this onalicious Pan Fried Weke. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!